Okay, so this is going to be a video on how to install a wax ring on the bottom of a toilet. You can see this is the extra thick reinforced wax ring. Everybody kind of gets a different one depending on their situation. We needed to get the extra thick one because the floor is a little bit wonky. So this is how you do it. This is what the wax ring looks like. It is extra thick. Okay, so as you can see, we have the one with the flange in it. Not all of them come like this, but this particular one is the one we got that does. So this is how you put this kind on. You see how the flange faces like down from it. So we were told to put it on the toilet first. And then just set it straight down onto here. And then kind of rock it back and forth. So I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, so full disclosure, when you have the wax ring on the toilet and then you turn it around to put it down, in our situation, it kept falling off, and that probably happens for a lot of people. So you either have to do it pretty quickly, or I'm sure sometimes people kind of set it in the pipe and then put it on. But we were told to put it on the toilet first, then set it down. Either way, you really should have two people doing this. And that's how you install a wax ring on a toilet. If we can do it, probably anybody can do it because we're not professional whatsoever. But thank you for watching. Please share the video. Oh, and look at this. Look how cool this toilet is. Watch this. Look how slow. Yeah, this has nothing to do with the wax ring, but I thought it was pretty cool. Thanks for watching.